Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful limoncello tiramisu, step by step. We'll begin by preparing the vibrant limoncello syrup, ensuring it's perfectly balanced. Next, we'll craft the rich, airy mascarpone cream, a key component for that signature texture. Finally, I'll guide you through assembling the layers, creating a stunning and delicious dessert that's sure to impress. Get ready to create a truly special treat with bright, zesty flavors. First, let's prepare our flavorful limoncello syrup. In a small saucepan, combine 120 milliliters of limoncello with 100 milliliters of water. Stir in 50 grams of granulated sugar. Gently heat this mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down to room temperature before proceeding. This ensures the perfect base for soaking our ladyfingers. Now let's create the luscious mascarpone cream. In a large bowl, beat 250 grams of mascarpone cheese with 100 grams of powdered sugar until smooth. In a separate, chilled bowl, whip 240 milliliters of cold, heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Carefully fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture in 2 additions. This gentle technique ensures your cream remains light, airy, and perfectly smooth, providing that signature tiramisu richness. Finally, it's time to assemble our masterpiece. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled limoncello syrup, being careful not to oversaturate them. Arrange a single layer of these soaked ladyfingers in your serving dish. Next, spread half of the mascarpone cream evenly over the ladyfingers. Repeat this layering process once more. Cover the dish and refrigerate your limoncello tiramisu for at least 4 hours or, ideally, overnight to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Enjoy your exquisite dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.